Suppose, please try to understand.
Sir, জানি না স্যার probability.
A is an event. Okay. So its probability would be P of A. P for probability. Its minimum value 0. Maximum value is maximum value 1. Suppose probability of rising the sun in the west. What is the probability? Is it possible that the sun will rise in the west? Is it possible that the sun rises in the west?
No,
sir.
no, sir.
That means it is impossible event. Impossible event is always 0. Probability setting the sun in the west. Is it possible that the sun sets in the west? Yes,
Sir,
it is a universal truth. The sun, write down, S for sample space is that for the first person, it is 1, second person 1. First person 1, second person 2. First person 1, second person 3. First person 1, second person 4. It is 1, it is 5. I am telling you that for the first person it is 1, and for the second person it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this way you have to write down. Again you see, if for the first person it is 2, then the second person may get 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. It is 2, 4. It is 2, 5. It is 2, 6. For the first person, if it is 2, then the second person may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the first person, if it is 3, then for the second person, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. And in the same way, write down according to my own. Here you will end with 6 always. 4, 1. Otherwise, you have to do it again. 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then it is 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then for the last time, for 6, if the first person gets 6, second person may get 1, 6, 2, for 6, 3, for 6, 4, for 6, it is 5, for 6, it is 6. These are the sample points. But S for sample space, S for space, the top to bottom is second bracket. Here, how many points are there? Can you please let me know? For throwing two dice at the same time, how many points we are getting? We are getting total 36 points. Have you seen sample points? You write down sample points. Sample points equals to what? Let me know. Sample points. Sample points equals to 36. You count it, you will get 36, right? We are getting 36 points.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I say number one, probability of getting the same digits. What will be the answer? Probability of getting the same digits. Let me know. What is the answer? Same digits means what? I mean, for the two persons, they will get the same digit. What is meant by this? You see, along this, all are same. Am I right? It is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Have you got me? Along this diagonal, all the digits are same. I mean, in the pair, two digits are same. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Talk to me. So we are getting 6 points where the two digits are same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting 6 points where the two digits are same. And two digits means what? Uppermost digit. Uppermost. That is counted. So we are getting 6 points out of 36. Talk to me, all of you. It is what? It is 1 by 6. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Number 2, probability of getting the sum as 6. Can you tell me? Getting prime numbers. Prime numbers. You please do all these three myths. What are getting the first one greater than the second one.
তাসিন
Yes, ball.
থাকবি আজকে একর্ডটা থাকবি
আমি জানি না, চেষ্টা করব।
ভাই আজকে থাকিস লাগবে আজকে
Okay, so have you done it? Getting the sum as by 6. What is meant by this? Getting the sum as by 6. You see, this is 5 plus 1, 6, 4 plus 2, 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 5 plus 1, 6. Along this line, the sum is always 6. See, along this straight line, we are getting always 6. 5 plus 1, 6, 4 plus 2, 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 1 plus 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are getting 5. So here our answer is 5 by 36. Talk to me. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I tell you what is the probability that the sum is always 8, if it is you are told 8, 8 means what? You see 6 plus 2, 8. You see 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. Have you seen? In this line, along this line, all are 8. Have you seen it? Along this line, all are 8. Is it?
Yes, sir.
You see, along this line, all are 9.
Yes, sir.
You see, along this line, all are 10. You see, along this line, all are 11. You see, along this, all are 12. And you see along this all are 7. You see along this all are 7. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Everybody.
I'm getting you.
Okay. You see along this all are 5. You see along this all are 4. Along this all are 3. Along this all are 2. So if you draw the sample space like this as I have drawn, then just drawing a line, you can answer everything. Okay, there is a sequence. Okay, there is a rhythm to find out the probability as required. Okay, so we can easily get the sum. Now, question number 3, getting the prime numbers. Can you please let me, what are the prime numbers here? Prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are the prime numbers? 1 is not a prime
2,
number.
5, sir.
2, 3, and
5.
5. So we'll get prime numbers for question number 3. 2, 3, 5. So this line is 2, this is 3, and this is 5. Along this straight line, okay, we will get the prime numbers. We will not get any prime number in this line, and this line. Okay? Okay. So actually what is happening here? So it is what? It is actually, you see, prime number. 1 is not a prime number. So we are getting, this is a prime number, 2, 2. We are getting, this is a prime number, 2 and 3. We are getting a prime number, 2 and 5. Now you find other prime numbers like this. So what the prime numbers we are getting here now? 3, 1. 1 is not a prime, so we will not consider. This is a prime number, 3, 2. 3, 3 prime numbers. 4 is not a prime number. 3, 5 is a prime number. 3 and 5. We are getting here 5 and 1. 1 is not a prime number. So 5 and 2. We are getting 5 and 3. Both are prime numbers. We are getting 5 and 5. Both are prime numbers. And we don't have any other. So how many we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9 by 36. 9 by 36 is equal to 1 by 4.
Sir,
Sorry?
can we express the probability in decimal fraction?
No. It is a, I mean, proper fraction. In proper fraction always. Okay? I think you have got it. Talk to me.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the probability of getting the first one greater than the second one? That means what? First one is greater than the second one. Suppose if we see here 6 is greater than 1. If I see 1 is less than 4. Have you seen? Can you please find out question number 4? How many points we will get where the first one is greater than the second one? First one is greater. You see, along this diagonal, okay, uh, above this diagonal, we have 15 and below we have 15. Total 36. So we have taken 6 already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have taken 6. Okay. And you see, they are equal. So 36 minus 6, 36 minus 6 equals to 30 are unequal. These 6 are equal. So there are 30 points which are unequal. Okay. You see, there are no equal points. Okay, very good. So what we could do, you see, above this line, we have 15, and below this line, we have another 15. 15 plus 15, 30, and along this line, there are 6, total 36, okay? And you see, below this line, in every point, the first one is greater than the second one. 3 greater than 1, 3 greater than 2, 4 greater than 1, 4 greater than 2, 4 greater than 3, 5 greater than 1, 5 greater than 2, 5 greater than 3, 5 greater than 4. In the same way, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5. Okay, have you got it? So we are getting here total 15. If you count, if it is possible for you to count, you count it, you will get 15 points. So our answer is 15 by 36 is equal to 5 by 12. And vice versa. Vice versa means what? If I tell the second one is greater than the first one, vice versa. The second one is greater than the first one, then we will get this answer. I mean this above the diagonal. Okay? Below the diagonal, the first one is greater than the second one. But above the diagonal, the first one is smaller than the second one. Have you seen it? Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Number 5. Getting the first one as the square of second one. What will be the answer? The first one will be the square of the second one. Let me know. The first one will be the square of the second one. Can you please let me know? First one is the square of the second one. That means what? You see, a square of 1 is 1. Okay. Only this will be carried out.
Sir, 4, 2.
You're
Sir,
right.
2 and 4.
No. 2, 2 or 4 can 2, 4 to second will be square of.
So we have only 2 points, right? 1, 1 and 4, 2. Okay. So we can write our answer 2 by 36 equals to 1 by 18. First one is the square of the second one. Okay. A square of 1 is 1. A square of 2 is 4. So we are done here. And we don't have any other point. Now, if you are told the first one will be 1 less than the second one. I mean, the first one will be 1 less than the second one. I mean, second one minus first one will be 1. Where are the answers? Second one minus the first one, our answer will be 1. So first
Sir,
one
5
is
by
1.
36.
Try to understand. First one will be 1 less than the second one. So it is, you see, 1 and 2. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. This is, so in this row we will not get, this is, this is, this is, and this is. Can you find out any other? And you see along this line, the first one is always 1 less than the second one. Have you got me? So someone told me 5 by 36. Yes, it is the answer. 5 by 36. So if any other question is given from this, can you find it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have done a math when 2 dice are thrown at a time. Three dice are thrown at a time. Probability of getting the sum as by 17. Do it. Now you see, it is impossible for us. I mean, possible, but it will not look good. What is meant by this? 3 dice. Suppose sample space will be this: 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. In this way, it will be continued. Okay? Have you got it?
Yes,
These
sir.
two have.
Was
It is impossible. It is impossible. Now, can you just let me know how many sample points will be there? Okay. For one die, sample points, write down sample points for how many sample points are there? 6, right? For 2 dice, sample points equals to what? Let me know.
36.
36. For 3 dice, who can
260.
tell? You are absolutely right. Sample points are, you see, it is 1. Please pay attention. It is 1. It is 2. It is 3. So we will get, this is 6 to the power 1, 6 to the power 2, and this is 6 to the power 3. So what is 6 to the power 3? Equals to 216. So if 3 dice are thrown at the same time, then we will get 216 sample points. Okay, if n times, if it is n times, then our answer will be 6 to the power
To the power
n.
n.
This is the formula. Okay, so for n times thrown, okay, we will get 6 to the power n. For 10 times, if it is 10 dice are thrown at a time, we will get 6 to the power 10. If 20 times it is drawn, we will get 6 to the power 20. I think you have got me right. So what we are going to tell you is that, please try to understand. Probability of getting the sum as by 17, it is not required. okay, to build the sample space. But without building the sample space, we can easily find it. 17. Can you let me know what is the answer? Suppose 3 students, X, Y, and Z. There are 3 students, okay? Are you getting me? There are 3 students or 3 persons. This, okay, is the first event number first. I am writing here first event number first. Suppose event number first. I mean, you will get that for X has got 5, Y has got 6, and Z has got 6. What is the summation? Let me know.
17, sir.
So we can get 17 here. Talk to me.
Sir, but it would take a lot of time.
Just wait, I am telling you. For the second person, for the second event, wait, it is 6, it is 6, it is 5. Can we get 17?
Yes, sir. We can.
And for the third time, you see, for the third time, it is 6, it is 5, it is 6. I mean, what is the sample point? You see, the sample point is here. You will get, for if you do the math, if you build the sample space, you will get this type of. Talk to me. Will you get this type of? Suppose
Yes.
you may get, okay? Now you add, it is what, 17? It is what, 17? It is what, 17? And you know, we don't have any other point where we get the sum as by 17. And if you can find, just let me know. Is there any other point where you will get 17 as by sum? Can you find, or is anyone here who can find, who can tell me that what is that point where the sum will be 17? We really don't have. Suppose you are going to practice 6, 6, 4. You see it is 16, not 17. We cannot get 17. For getting 17, we have 5, 6, 6. This. So use just permutation. You have to have permutation and combination like this. 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, this type of. So we are getting our answer as by 3 by 216. That is equal to 1 by 72. So our math is done. Talk to me. Okay? Now I'm going to for one dice. A die is thrown. Okay? Probability of getting the even number. Talk to me. Equals to what? Even number. We are getting here the sample point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting it. Okay? Now, what is the probability of getting the even number?
2 by 6,
Half.
sir. 3 by
How
6.
many even numbers are there? Even numbers. This,
2,
this,
4, 6.
and this.
Yes.
Please
Yes,
talk to
sir.
me.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So we are getting 3 by 6 equals to
Half. 1 by 3.
half. Now, the same thing, probability of getting the odd number or odd number,
Same,
same
sir.
answer.
Half.
Okay. Probability of getting the a square number, a square number. How many square numbers are there? I mean, a square number means, you know, perfect square. I'm sorry, perfect. The word is perfect square. Perfect square.
1
1
by 3.
1 by
3, sir.
That is 2 by 6 equals to
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Now write down probability of getting multiple of 3.
Sir, 1
Multiple,
by 3.
multiple of 3 is 2.
2.
3 and 6. So we are getting 2 by 6 equals to 1 by 3, right? So I have a copy it. Okay. Now, number 5. Getting less than 3. Less than 3 means what? This is less than 3. So 2 by 6. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, prime numbers. Prime numbers.
1 by 2, sir.
Sir, half.
What are the prime numbers here? 2,
2,
3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5. Prime numbers. 2, 3, and 5. So 2, 3, and 5. That means what? 3 by 6 equals to half. Okay. Now, you do it. I want less than 4. Can you let me know less than 4 what? 1, 2, 3. Prime number. What are the prime numbers? What are the prime numbers? Let me
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
2, 3, 5. They are the prime numbers. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it
Yes, sir.
less than 4? This is, and prime number is what? 2, 3, 5. Okay. But we are getting the common. What? What are the commons here? Common here.
2 and
2
3.
and 2 and 3 equals to what? 2 by. Talk to me.
Yes, sir. 1 by 3.
Let me know.
5/6, sir.
How you have done it?
Yes, sir. 5/6.
Sir,
Very
as
good.
2, 4, 6
Sir,
are
on
even
means
numbers, and 3 and 5 are prime numbers, and there is OR, so it can be this or this.
E for even, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, very good. You forget it. E equals to what? Or you also forget it. A for even number. Even number. 2 for 6. Right?
Yes, sir.
And suppose B for prime number. What are the prime numbers here?
2, 3,
2,
5.
3, 5.
2, 3, 5. Now let me know what would be the answer.
So 5/6.
5 by
6.
6. Because here is written OR, right?
Or yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it would be like
Very,
common.
very, you're absolutely right. A intersection B equals to what? What?
Intersection, sir.
Now what is the intersection?
So 2.
Is it? Okay, can you please let me know what is number of A? I mean, how many elements are there? 3.
3, sir. 3.
What is number of B?
3.
What is number of A intersection B?
1.
Have we ever heard this answer, this question, N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of? Have you heard it ever?
Yes, sir.
This is De Morgan's law.
Yes, sir.
This is,
De Morgan's law.
you know, what is meant by N of S? Number of total sample points. N of S means number of total
Sample points.
is what? Talk to me.
6, sir.
Okay. Now, if I divide it, the very interesting, you see, N of A union B by N of S is equal to N of A by N of S. N of B by N of S minus N of A intersection B by N of S. What I have done, can you please let me know? I have divided by N of S, right? Is it? Can you please,
sir.
is there anyone here who can tell me what is meant by this?
The probability.
Yes, you are absolutely right. It means probability of A union B. Is it?
Yes, sir.
That I have wanted. Even number A, prime number B, union means OR. Union means OR, even number A, prime number B. N of A, what is N of A? I found N of A equals to what? 3.
Hmm.
So 3, N of S is what? 6.
6, sir.
N of B equals to what? 3.
Yes, sir.
6 minus N of A
1/6.
intersection B what? Can you please calculate it?
5/6 answer.
So this is the way how you have done. It will be given in the exam of 4 marks and you have to do what you have done. Now let me know, have you come to know what is probability?
Yes, sir.
Many of you may not understand how it is. It is there. There are total here something, A union B. We have to find N of A by N of S. What is meant by this? It is P of A. I am writing here what is meant by this. You see, please pay attention. What is meant by P of A? P of A means how many A is there, are there by total sample point. Am I right? favorable events by total outcomes. Favorable events means how many A, number of is what? 3. It is called favorable. And total outcomes is what? 6. Suppose if you are told to find P of A, I mean P of A means what? Even number. Then you would find easily 3 by, have you got me? Hello? Talk to me. Suppose you are given, suppose probability of getting prime numbers. Suppose only one math. It means, suppose it is considered as by B, number of B by number of S. It is 3 by 6. But up to previous math, you did just orally. That this is the answer, right?
Yes,
Getting
sir.
prime numbers, it is prime numbers. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 3 by 6. This is the way. Number of prime numbers by total outcomes. What is the number of prime numbers? 3. Total outcomes are 6. So 3 by 6 equals to half. Have you got it or not? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Find it. Sorry, not and. It is or. I'm sorry. Or.
Sir, 1 by 3. Oh, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir. 4
Okay.
by 6, sir. 4 by 6.
Write down. Multiple of 3. How to do, please? Multiples of 3. 3, 6. Right? Okay. The multiples of 3, you name it. Suppose A. A equals to 3, 6. So n of A equals to what? Talk to me. N of A means what? Number of elements of A. Is it okay? Are you getting me? Please talk to me.
Yes, sir. We are, sir.
Less than 3. Less than 3 equals to what? Less than 3.
1, 2.
Suppose you name it B. P of B equals to what? 2. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Here A intersection B. What is A intersection B?
0, sir. Faka, empty.
A intersection B is there is no intersection. Have you seen?
No,
So it
sir.
is empty. It is empty.
Yes, sir.
But you have to find n of A intersection B equals to what?
0.
0. So what is the formula? Let me know. N of A union B, n of A, n of B, okay, minus n of A intersection B. Is it the formula? Now you see, you divide by n of S. N of A union B by n of S is equal to n of A by n of S, n of B by n of S minus n of A intersection B by n of S. I have divided by total outcomes. N of S means number of total outcomes. N of S means number of total outcomes. So what is the total outcomes? 6. So its formula is P of A intersection, P of A and B. Its formula is equal to N of A. What is N of A? Let me know. 2.
2.
So 2 by 6. It is what? 2.
2 by 6.
2 by 6. It is what? 0. 0 by 6 equals to what?
4 by 6.
That is 2 by
3.
Yes, sir.
Moreover, as it is union, 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So 4 by 6. But you have to see, is there any intersection or not? Please try to understand. Okay? So are you getting it or not? Talk to me, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Suppose you are also given like this. A die is thrown one time. Okay? Prime numbers or odd numbers? What is the answer? Do it.
Sir, 1.
Definitely not. How is it possible? One is a universal truth. Is it universal that you will get prime number or odd number? Can you get 4? Oh, you can get 4. So 4 is not here. 4 is not either prime. 4 is neither prime nor odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me know prime numbers. Suppose prime numbers A. Prime numbers A. Then what is the answer?
2, 3, 5.
2, 3, 5. It is the prime numbers. I am writing here prime. This is prime numbers. Okay. Now what is number of A?
3, sir.
Number of A is 3. Now write down B. Odd numbers. What are the odd numbers?
1, 3, 5.
1, 3, 5. It is odd. Odd numbers. Set of odd numbers. Then we are getting number of B. Talk to me.
3, sir.
3. Now suppose you have answered 3 plus 3 equals to 6. 6 by 6 equals to 1. Not that. I
5 by
told you.
6 is the answer, sir.
I told you that you have to get a look. Either there is any common or not. I think you have got me. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So what is to do? Find A intersection B. What is the intersection?
3, sir.
3 and 5?
Yes, sir.
3 and 5. Okay. So we can write down n of A intersection B equals to what? 2. Is it 12? Now you please find out. You find out, please. N of A union B is equal to n of A, n of B minus n of A intersection B. Right? Is it okay to all? Now you see n of A union B by n of S is equal to n of A by n of S plus n of B by n of S minus n of A intersection B by n of S. It is meant by what? P of, talk to me, P of A union B. What is n of A? 3. What is n of B? It is also 3. What is their intersection? 2.
2 by 6.
Now please let me know. If you calculate 3, 3, 6 minus 2, 4 by 6.
2 by 3.
That is 2 by 3. Have you got it?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose the same math. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the same math. Just I will make a correction. It is done. Another math. You write down. Another math.
Okay.
Another math. What will be the answer?
1 by 3.
Yes, you are right. If you see anywhere not, then you have to find at first yes. It is yes. Okay, then what will you do? What will you do? You see, therefore, P of A union B, it is not. So what is the formula? From 1, as the maximum value is 1. So from 1, it will be subtracted. Talk to me, please, all of you. You have to do as it is up to this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Up to this, you have to do as it is. Then you have to write this. P of A union B prime. That means not. So 1 minus this. So 1 minus 2 by 3 is equal to what? 1 by 3. Is it okay? Are you getting me or not?